Imagine scrolling through YouTube or TikTok and suddenly coming across a jaw-dropping video. An NFL player standing in the middle of a packed stadium with a towering, futuristic beast behind him embodying his team's identity. These videos are intense, it's eye-catching, and it keeps viewers hooked from the very first second. And right now, not a lot of people are creating this kind of content. This niche is completely fresh and just starting to gain traction. A handful of YouTube and TikTok creators have already cracked the code, generating millions of views by posting these electrifying AI-generated videos. The best part is that the space is still wide open for new creators to dominate, so this is your chance to jump in early before the trend explodes. If you've ever wanted to build a YouTube channel, go viral on short-form content, or even monetize AI-generated videos, this is the perfect time to start. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these stunning videos step by step using free AI tools that anyone can access. You don't need expensive software or advanced editing skills, so stick with me until the end because every step matters. Now let's dive in. The first step is to get highly detailed image prompts to generate the perfect visuals. To make this process effortless for you, I've put together a Google Doc with carefully crafted image prompt that you can use to create your own image prompts. The link to the Google Doc is in the description below. If you've made it this far into the video, take a second to hit that like button. This tells YouTube that this content is valuable and YouTube algorithm will push this video to more creators like you. All right, let's move on. Open ChatGPT and simply ask it to list 6 NFL teams. If you want your video to be longer or feature more variations, you can ask for more. The choice is yours. Once you hit enter, ChatGPT will instantly provide you with a list of teams. Now head over to the Google Doc and copy the image prompt. Then return to ChatGPT and paste it into the chat. This prompt will direct ChatGPT to create custom, highly detailed prompts tailored to generate images of NFL players standing in massive stadiums, each with a towering, human-like beast behind them, representing their team's identity. Once you hit enter, ChatGPT will instantly generate a unique prompt for each team, allowing you to create a set of stunning, eye-catching images that are perfectly aligned with the viral trend. Now that we have our image prompts ready, the next step is to bring them to life by generating high-quality images. For this, we'll be using Ideogram.ai. Go over to your browser and search for Ideogram.ai. If you haven't already created an account, go ahead and sign up. Once you're logged in, click on the plus icon, which will open the image creation interface. Before generating your images, let's tweak the settings to ensure they come out exactly as we want. First, change the style to realistic, so the images look as lifelike as possible. Next, adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is the perfect format for short-form content like YouTube Shorts, TikToks, and Instagram Reels. This way, the images will fit seamlessly into vertical videos without needing extra cropping or adjustments. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the first detailed image prompt from the list. Return to Ideogram. Paste the prompt into the text box and hit generate. Within seconds, Ideogram will process your input and create multiple variations of the image, each with different compositions, lighting, and visual effects. Take a moment to carefully analyze the generated images and select the one you prefer. Then download it to your device. Now repeat the same process to generate the rest of your images. The next step is to animate our images into dynamic, eye-catching videos. For this, we'll be using HailuoAI. Go over to your browser and search for HailuoAI.video. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. Once you're logged in, click on the plus icon, which will take you to the animation interface. Now upload the first image you want to animate. Next, we need prompt to guide the AI to animate the image properly. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the same prompt used to generate the image. Then return to HailuoAI. Paste the prompt into the designated box and hit generate. At this point, HailuoAI will begin processing your image, bringing motion to what was once a static scene. This step might take a little time, so be patient while the AI works its magic. Once the animation is ready, preview the video to ensure it looks smooth and visually appealing. Check for any unnatural movements or glitches, and if everything looks great, go ahead and download the final animated video to your device. Now repeat this process to animate the rest of your images into videos. The next step is to get background music to enhance the energy and emotion of our video. Instead of spending hours searching for copyright-free tracks, we're going to create our own custom track using Suno. Go over to your browser and search for suno.com. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to sign up. Once you're in, click on the music icon, which will take you to the music creation interface. Since we're creating a background tune, we don't need lyrics, just the style of music. To get the right style of music, open ChatGPT and ask it to give you a style of music to create a cinematic tune. Then hit enter and ChatGPT will instantly provide you with a music style recommendation that fits the tone of your video. Copy the suggested music style and head back to Suno. Paste it into the input box. Then give your track a title and click create. Then Suno will start generating your custom background music. Within moments, HailuoAI will produce 2 unique tracks based on the style you provided. Let's listen to them. Now download the one you prefer to your device. The last step is to bring everything together and create a polished, high-impact video through editing. For this, we'll be using CapCut. Go over to CapCut, then click on New Project and import all the animated clips we created earlier. Once all the clips are in the timeline, click on Aspect Ratio and set it to 9:16. This ensures that the video is perfectly formatted for short-form content like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. If any of the clips have watermarks or logos, click on the clip, then stretch the frame slightly until the watermark disappears. Repeat this process for every clip to ensure a clean, professional look. Next, we add transitions between the clips to make the video flow seamlessly. Click on Overlay, then browse through the available transitions and select the one you prefer. Then click Apply to All to apply the transition to all the clips. Next, we'll add text to label each team so viewers can instantly recognize them. Click on Text, type in the team name, then customize it by changing the font, color, and size to make it bold and eye-catching. To make it even more dynamic, add an animation effect to the text. Once you're happy with how it looks, drag the text across the entire duration of the clip so it remains visible. Repeat this process for each clip, labeling every NFL team featured in your video. Now let's add the video title to the first clip to introduce viewers to the content. Click on Text, type in the title, which is NFL Teams and Their Mutants, then adjust the font and size. To make the video even more engaging and visually dynamic, we'll add video effects. Click on Effects, then select Video Effects, browse through the available options and select one that enhances the overall aesthetic of the video. Once you've chosen the effect, drag it across the entire timeline to apply it to all clips. Next, import the custom background music we created earlier with HailuoAI and add it to the timeline. Now, before finalizing everything, do a full playback from start to finish to see if it's well edited. If everything looks smooth and professional, click on Export, then increase the video resolution to 4K for the highest quality and download the video to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments section.